Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I use and how I turn all these lovely finds that we found at Minster yesterday into jewellery like this. So the first thing that I do after we've collected the sea glass and obviously got home is I soak it all, wash it all in just normal washing up liquid, and then spread it out onto trays to dry. And then the next stage that I do is the sorting, which is the fun part, seeing what bits are lovely and smooth and perfect size for pendants, or which ones are perfect for earring droplets, so something like that, because you can put them on hoops. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so now I've got my tubs, and because we've got quite a lot in this haul this time, I need 3 I think. So obviously you've got, when you get massive pieces like this, I'm not sure if anyone would want to wear that around their neck or not. I think it's too big. So I have a tub for stuff that is not usable in jewellery, but I like to keep it decorative in glass jars. So I'm going to put that one in there. Then you have ones that also aren't cooked on the edges. That one I couldn't really use in jewellery anyway because it's not a very nice shape. So that's going in the jar. But then you have ones like this, perfectly smooth, perfectly cooked, and that's going into the jewellery box, and so on. Okay, it's a little tip that I do. It's quite controversial in a sea glass scene, as it were. When I come across pieces that I think will make either a good earring or a good pendant, I don't know if you'll be able to see in this, but it has like a shine to one edge, so most of it is tumbled really well. There's like a little bit of a rough edge. So we have a tumbler purely for these rough edges to smooth them out, and any bits like this that have got ingrained rust or sort of sea dirt, it actually cleans it off, so that then I can use it in the jewellery, because I don't like waste, and every piece that I find is special. So yeah, so I've got a tub here at the moment so far with bits that are going to go into the tumbler for either a day or a couple of days, just to clean them off and get any rough edges smooth, so that they're safe to use as well. Okay, so now I've finished with the first tray of sea glass we found. So I have in this one sea glass that is, and there's some pottery pieces as well, that is ready for drilling. Okay, so I use a Dremel 3000, and I use it at the first setting, number 2, so the lowest speed. Attached to that I have this wonderful gadget, which is a Dremel 225, which you literally just attach. And I've bought the Dremel multi-chuck because I start with a 1mm diamond tip drill bit, which I will put the link in where I get these from because these seem to work best. And if I need it bigger than 1mm for what I'm drilling, I have the 2mm. Again, I'll put that in the, again I'll attach that to the video. So you need, I just use one of these that you get with the takeaways tubs. I put blue tack in the bottom, and then you just have enough water so that when you put the glass in, it's wet. So let's start with the first piece. Let's see what one shall I drill. Let's do a bigger piece first. And when I first started, I had a practice piece that I did, which didn't matter. But again, every time that I haven't used the drill and start again, I start on a piece that doesn't matter too much if it messes up. So I'll go with this piece. This could be a pendant. So it's just covering, the water. Space. So I slightly push, and then when you start seeing the, like, what would I call it, looks like smoke in the water, I just give it a little tiny bit of a wiggle. I'll push down, lift up, down, up. There you go, and it's through. So you only need to apply, I only apply a little bit of pressure just to get the hole started. And I don't know if you can see this, I tried to make the hole as close to the top as I can. So that's with the 1mm. So I'm gonna change it now. Normally I would do all of the glass in 1mm, and then when I'm starting using it for when I'm making the jewellery with it, I then, you know, I will have the 2mm on already, then I can re-drill through and then start making. But because I'm going to show you today, I'm just going to change the drill bit. It took me a little while to work this out, but you get a key and it's got a little button on this. Just press it in. And come on, press down, press down. That's it, it's gone in. Undo. I think that's done it. Yep. Let's go in with a new drill bit. Let's find 2mm ones. Let's see. The sun's come out now. you've got to make sure it sits in the middle of the jaws, not in one of the side bits. And I try and put it in quite low. Should stop it from like snapping. It's quite tricky. Nice and tight. Yep. There's my water. See how quick that is with the number 2mm drill bit, after you've drilled it with the one first. And there you have perfect hole, ready to, I think I might use this for an earring dropper actually. So I'm going to use my large rainbow jump rings, which you definitely need a 2mm hole for. So to open these, you want to hold with pliers and pull it either towards you, which is what I normally do, just so it opens it up a little bit. Might need a bit more. Thread that through the hole, there we go. And then pull it back into place. Join it where it is, and a little tip that somebody gave me is carry on forward a little bit, then back, and then they meet perfectly back into place. So there you have it. Because this is going to be on the rainbow collection, I have got rainbow hoops. I'll probably put that on a smaller hoop. Now you want it so that it's facing the other way when you got it in your ear. So I'm going to go the next size down. And attach another loop. I'm going to do a little pattern with this. My hoops have got mixed up. Somehow. Where's that one? There we go. One of these ones. That's what I was looking for. So I'm going to attach the next one on to there. I'm going to hold that with them and then do the little twist. You can see. then now I'm going to attach that to the hoop, and then when it's sat in your ear, it's facing the right way. So that's how I do earrings. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. See you next time.